Here's all the information on it. It's got the VIN number. Professionally restored by Roger Wilson of Mildred, Ohio. Okay, the color is Ford Ranger Thistle Purple. Engine is a 1989 IROC Tune Port 350. I'll let y'all read the rest of it. Odometer was set back to 0 at restoration. Yes, I did. It's all the information there if you need to check it. We're looking at a 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air 2-door hardtop. Restored in 1995 through 1996. It's on side the door window, but we'll wait and show y'all the information first. This car is beautiful, beautiful paint job. Okay, now we're going to come in close. It's nice looking mags. Got disc brakes on the front. Now the lighting is got that senior rust. It's immaculate condition. I wish the sun was out. It was at the car show in Moultrie, Georgia yesterday, I believe. The lady, they're putting some flowers out, and I didn't want to disturb them. It's not her car anyway. A little profile tire. You might know what that is. Something with a windshield, a number. Well, we had an emergency somewhere. Look at that, it is nice. The door is unlocked, but I don't want to be going inside. I might hear it by it, so. But maybe somebody else. Look at that. Electric windows in the rear. And I guess in the front, I see the door handle. It's very, very well done. I don't know what color purple that is. I bet it's got a pretty nice sound system. We got wind, we got sirens. What else we need? Look at that tailpipe, that's pretty neat. They took pride in restoring this. That's good. Well, underneath, wow, it's just completely restored. Very nice. Sharp looking. I would love to see the motor, but it's a beautiful car.